Hello, I'm Emily Barker. Welcome to this edition of Media Vision, a new series of member broadcasts from Media Super. In this bulletin, we look at what's new in super, including an increase to super contributions, new super tax breaks for low-income earners and plenty more. Commencing on the 1st of July 2013, compulsory employer superannuation contributions will move from 9% to 9.25%. This is a result of new super legislation passing through Parliament earlier this year. The increase is the first step in a timetable of phased movements that will see universal SG contributions for all workers in Australia reach 12% by 2019. This is a major national reform that will strengthen Australia's retirement income system, lift national savings and provide a better standard of living in retirement for current and future super fund members. Media Super members who earn less than $37,000 per annum will now be eligible to receive the Low-Income Super Contribution, a new government initiative designed to help low-income, casual and part-time workers build their super. The additional rebate, worth up to $500 per year, applies from this financial year, with the payment to be made direct into members' super accounts by the Australian Taxation Office. To be eligible for this automatic rebate, you must have previously supplied Media Super with your tax file number. To check whether Media Super has your TFN on file, please call the helpline. Finding lost super online and combining all your multiple accounts is now much easier for Media Super members with the launch of combineyoursuper.com.au. Members can easily search for lost and unclaimed super and consolidate multiple accounts through the one website. Visit combineyoursuper.com.au to get started. A reminder to members that concessional caps, that is, pre-tax contributions made to your super, are capped at $25,000 per year. This means that your employer SG contributions and any salary sacrifice amounts you make cannot exceed $25,000 for the year. If you go over the cap, the ATO will apply a higher tax rate to those contributions. In other fun news, this summer we'll likely see the premiere of two new Australian movies that Media Super has supported, Save Your Legs and Drift. In cinemas this January, Save Your Legs, starring Stephen Curry and Brendan Cowell, is the story of one man who refuses to lose his local cricket team to the realities growing up. An uplifting adventure filled with comedy, cricket and Bollywood music. Drift, set in the 70s, sees two brothers battle killer waves, conservative society and ruthless bikers to kickstart the modern Australian surf industry. The surf epic stars Sam Worthington, Xavier Samuel and Leslie Ann Brandt and is anticipated for a 2013 release. Lastly, Media Super is running a special member promotion until the end of November to encourage members to keep their email address up to date. Simply follow the homepage link to the newsletter competition page, enter your details and go into the draw for your chance to win either DVD copies of the ABC TV series Miss Fisher's Murder Mysteries or the book A Super History. That's all we have time for in this edition of Media Vision. More member broadcasts will be available in the future. To find the latest, simply log on to mediasuper.com.au.